Hello, this is Ming, and today I will continue with the SOC simulations. And today it's gonna be a focus on SQL injection. So let's start with the first alert. Let's see possible SQL injection attempt. So an attempt at SQL code injection has been detected. Investigate further to determine if it was successful. So we have the host, client IP, is get method, we have the URI, and we have the status. Okay, so personally for me, SQL for SQL injection alerts, I like to use AI. So for this one, on just a glance, I don't see anything that's too suspicious. The IP, we have the URI. The URI seems legit, seems normal, and the user agent is also normal, it's Mozilla. And we have the status, it's 200, so it's okay. And the bytes is also like the regular search transfer like amount. So I will verify the IP first. I'm going to the virtual machine. So it's gonna take some time to load the virtual machine. Currently busy? Come on. Let me do the... No. Okay, one more try, then we will do other stuff. Okay, it's in. So let's go to try detect this, which is basically, again, virus total. I'm just going to verify the IP. It's kind of slow. Okay, let's put the IP here. IP is clean. So what I would do is to, because I see nothing that's too suspicious, what I would do is copy this alert and feed it to AI. And AI is going to tell me if there's anything that's like too suspicious. Um, it seems like there's nothing. Yeah, it's legitimate search query, so there's nothing. I'm going to write false positive. Um, time of activity here, and list of affected entities. I'll put client IP. Reason for classify as false positive, regular search query. Submit and close. Okay, let's check the next one. The next one is this one. So for this one, it's the same possible SQL injection attempt. Let's see, we have the IP, client IP, what timestamp. We have URI, which is product. It's search, but it's like have this one. It's text. It's not. It's not a regular search query, but it's using like this. So this is very suspicious. And the status is 500. I'm going to ask the AI to pull up all the web status code. So it's 5xx 500. It was 500. Yeah. So it's 5xx. So it's the server failed to fulfill. Let's go down. Yeah. A generic error message. So basically, this SQL injection attempt was not successful. And we have this SQL map org. What's this? What's this user agent? I'm going to no. Actually, just ask AI because we shouldn't just log on to this website, right? The open source penetration testing tool that automates detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws. Yeah. So it's basically an injection attempt, pretty obvious. So it's write the report true positive. Let's go affected entity client IP here. Reason for classifying as true positive. SQL injection attempt. Reason for escalating the alert. Is there a need to escalate because it's already rejected? I guess there's no need to escalate, right? No need to escalate, and recommended remediation would be block the IP. And I would also block the user agent. And yeah. So I guess I would escalate it because we would need to block the IP and the user agent. And the list of attack indicators, it would be URI and user agent. Okay, yes, escalate. Okay, let's see the next one. It will be the IP. It's the same IP as the last one. Okay, and it's this time they are looking for username and cap and password. Okay, so we are also check the next alert to make sure that it's not the same IP. So I can all do it at the same time. So it's same IP, not the same IP. So there's three. I'm going to take all of them. Wait. It seems like this one is also the same IP. Okay. Same IP. Okay, same IP. Same IP. All the low severity ones are from no, this one is not. Also this one is already closed. Okay, so we have all these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 alerts. They are all coming from the same IP. So, and they're obviously all trying to do SQL injection. Are all the same attempt with union and select, and also like the comment. Okay, all true positive. And we put client IP, oops, for affected entity time. And reason for classifying true positive, obvious SQL injection attempts. Reason for escalating. So let's see. We have 500 all rejected. We have 200 that's passed, but I'm not sure what this URL means, so I'm going to ask AI. We have user agent ID equals 1 and sleep, time-based blind SQL injection. To pause for 5, instructing the database to pause for 5 seconds before returning a result to confirm if. Oh, so basically this one is for testing, yeah? They already know that our system is vulnerable to SQL injection. And so basically it's all blocked except this one. So reason for escalating, system vulnerable to SQL injection. Let's see what the AI recommend. Audit logs. The attacker likely perform the full scan. Check your logs for other requests from this to see what tables, column data they may have access. Okay, so I would block the IP. Block the IP, patch the vulnerability. List of attack indicators are. It's pretty obvious. SQL injection attempts. Yes. So I would actually take the suggestion from AI to verify the IP in Splunk. Blocked IP, yep. Review, clearly passing directly into a updating your code prepared statement. That's what it needs to be escalated because the code needs to be updated. So let's see what we have here. We have 50 events. Oh, yeah, we see more SQL attempts, more than the ones that are alerted. We have the admin with the comment in the end. Okay. But was this passed? Was this okayed? 3043. 403 client error. So this one was not forbidden yet. This one is okay, but refused. Okay. We have. Let's check the status with I mean the 200 status. 200 because 200 status 200 is okay. This means that it's success. It's passed. Okay, we have product view ID 1. Okay, they're just trying to log in this PHP list. Okay, so let's see the other one. The next one is medium severity, and we have it's similar IP, but only the last digit is not is different. Let's see. An attempt to path traverse attack has been detected in the web request. Okay, so basically it's trying to execute a command using shell. Let's see what we have here. Let's see if we have so this is very suspicious because it's trying to execute one like command. It's trying to access the passwords from the database. So I'm going to put this alert into AI. Okay. Yeah, the attacker is accessing web shell. Yeah, it's basically just located in uploads to passing system command. Oh. Yeah, basically the attacker got all the passwords. Yeah, because the stat is 200. Okay. So this need immediate attention right now. True positive. List of affected entity, client IP, reason for classifying as access to database, status 200, access to password, to password, recommend. So recommend remediation would be block the IP, reset passwords. What else? Containment, yeah, isolate the server, yeah. Remove the web shell. Yep, that makes sense. We shall isolate the system, and also change credentials, change password. I already got that. Reset password, and also Yeah, we have to check all the system. Audit the environment. Okay. List of attack indicators. The URI and the status. Okay, yes. Submit. Okay. We have 3 more. Attempt. Okay. With the IP. Timestamp, get, URI, it's search, it's regular one, like the normal search query. It looks okay, and the bytes is also okay. Status, okay. User agent is same, okay. It's okay. Everything is okay. But I would also ask AI just to make sure, yeah? Yeah, there's no malicious activity. False positive. Time here. Affected entity. No malicious action. Submit, close. Okay, we have 2 more, and this one is high severity. A command attempt to execute common Linux commands has been detected. In the web request, investigate further to determine if it was successful. List of commands detected by this rule bash. Okay, okay. Okay, it's from the same IP. It's trying to again use the shell to execute the command that's trying to execute a script. Yeah. I would just like I already know everything else. I just to verify what the URL is about. So chmod is changing the file permission. Oh yeah, right. Okay. It's not really okay, it's changing the permissions. The true positive. Time detected. List of affected entity. The IP classifying as true positive. Trying to execute a script using shell. Okay, risk for escalating the alert. Because the static script is executed. So recommended because they changed the permissions, so we have to re-evaluate the system. Audit, do an audit on permissions, block IP, and obvious delete shell if possible. Attack indicators is pretty obvious. So does this, yeah. So we are done for today. Thank you for watching.